Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Who wrote the national anthem in India? Options A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Nirmal Verma, Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. What is the national symbol of India? Options A. Vishnu Chakra, B. Charaka, C. Veera Chakra, D. Ashoka Chakra. Answer is D. Ashoka Chakra. From where is the national symbol of India taken? A. Lion pillar in Sarnath, B. Lion pillar in Prayag, Lion pillar in Nepal, Lion pillar in Sri Lanka. Answer is A. Lion pillar in Sarnath. Which state has the shortest coastline in India? Options A. Gujarat, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Orissa, D. West Bengal. Answer is D. West Bengal. Who is the first Indian woman entered into space? Options A. Kalpana Chawla, B. Sunita Williams, C. Valentina Tereshkova, D. Mae Jemison. Answer is A. Kalpana Chawla. Which is the longest dam in India? Options A. Bakranangal Dam, B. Sardar Sarovar Dam, C. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, D. Hirakud Dam. Answer is D. Hirakud Dam. Which is the fastest animal on earth? Options A. Lion, B. Tiger, C. Cheetah, D. Fox. Answer is C. Cheetah. What is the longest glacier in India? Options A. Gangotri Glacier, B. Siachen Glacier, C. Pindari Glacier, D. Zemu Glacier. Answer is B. Siachen Glacier. Who is the first Indian woman IPS officer? Options A. Kiran Bedi, B. Sara Sharma, C. Manjari Jauhar, D. Anshika Verma. Answer is A. Kiran Bedi. Which is the most cleanest city in India? Options A. Mysore, B. Delhi, C. Bangalore, D. Indore. D. Indore. Who is the father of modern India? Options A. Rajaram Mohan Rai, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer is A. Rajaram Mohan Rai. Who built the Red Fort? Options A. Aurangzeb, B. Akbar, C. Shah Jahan, D. Babur. Answer is C. Shah Jahan. Who is known as Indian Bismarck? Options A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Balagangadhar Tilak, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.